Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing how to get this beautiful heatless curls. So yes, you can get these curls too without damaging your hair. What's better than that? So it's very easy two-step process, I would say, and they'll last very long until you wash your hair because मेरा तो wavy hairs है. So if I do these kind of curls, they stay for a while in the sense for 2 days maybe probably. If I don't comb it regularly, it stays. And it's very easy, believe me. What's better than that कि आप damage भी नहीं कर रहे हो अपने hairs, and you get to use different types of hairstyles on your face. And if you are interested, keep on watching. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and like the video, and be a part of my family. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye. Take care.